In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Chrome's spell check so the red underlines disappear in Canva. First, a quick heads up. Canva doesn't have its own spell checker. If you're seeing red squiggly lines under text while designing, that's coming from your web browser. In Google Chrome, those underlines are powered by Chrome's spell check feature, so we'll switch it off from the browser's settings. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you're actually in Chrome and not another browser, since these settings only apply to Chrome. With Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu. From there, click Settings. Settings will open in a new tab, and this is where all your browser preferences live. On the left side of the settings page, click Languages. This section controls how Chrome handles languages, input, and spell checking. Inside Languages, click Spell Check. You'll see two options here: Basic Spell Check and Enhanced Spell Check. Toggle Basic Spell Check off. Basic keeps spell checking on your device using Chrome's built-in dictionary. Turning it off stops Chrome from automatically underlining words it thinks are misspelled. Next, toggle Enhanced Spell Check off as well. Enhanced uses Google's web services to check spelling more aggressively, and it may send text you type to Google to improve accuracy. With both Basic and Enhanced turned off, Chrome will stop flagging words with red underlines across websites, including Canva. Now go back to your Canva tab and refresh it. A quick refresh applies the new browser setting to the page you're working on. After the page reloads, those distracting red lines under your text in Canva should be gone. A couple of important notes. Since Canva doesn't have its own spell checker, everything you just changed happens at the browser level. That means spell check is now off for all sites you visit in Chrome, not just Canva. If you ever want spell checking back for emails, documents, or other sites, return to the same spell check section and turn Basic or Enhanced back on. Basic keeps everything on your device, while Enhanced gives you stronger checking but can send text to Google servers. That's it. You opened Chrome, went to Settings, navigated to Languages, opened Spell Check, turned both options off, and refreshed your Canva tab. Your design should now be free of those red underlines, so you can focus on creating